Hey guys, it's Sandy. Welcome back to cutepolish. In today's nail art tutorial, Erin will be showing you how to create 5 super cute and easy nail art designs that are perfect for Easter. You can choose to do one as an accent nail, mix or match a few, or you could do all 5. Guys, let us know down in the comments which of these designs are your favorites.
Hey guys, it's Erin. For this nail design, I'm starting off with a base coat on all my nails. For this first design, I'm starting off with a white base. Then I'm going to be painting an Easter egg pattern using some pastel colors. So I'm starting off with these 3 dots at the top of my nail, and then using blue and green to create stripes underneath that. You can really do any mix of patterns that you like. Here I'm adding more yellow dots. And then with a light purple nail polish, I'm creating a zigzag line. For the next design, I'm starting off with a yellow base. Then I'm taking a small brush and white nail polish and painting a zigzag line across the bottom of my nail. Then I'm going to be filling that in, which you can also do with the brush straight out of the bottle. Now with the black acrylic paint, I'm putting 2 little dots for eyes, and using an orange nail polish, I'm painting a beak underneath that. Use a white nail polish to add highlights to the eyes, and there you have a cute little Easter chick. For the next design, I'm starting with a white base again. Then I'm using a beige nail polish to create 2 oval shapes towards the bottom of my nail. These are going to be the little bunny feet. Then I'm using a light gray nail polish to paint the little bunny tail above the feet. Now I'm going in with a medium pink and adding some details. For the next design, I'm starting with a light blue base. Then with a green nail polish, I'm painting stems for some flowers. Then I'm taking a dark pink and creating a teardrop shape for the base of my tulips. Then I'm going back in with a lighter pink and creating a teardrop shaped petal on either side of that darker pink. I'm also making sure those petals are separated with a line down the middle of that same dark pink. Now create some long leaves standing up beside the stems. For this last design, I'm using a light blue base again. Then once that's dry, I'm taking a brown nail polish and painting a line across the bottom of my nail. Once that's dry, I'm going in with a darker brown and crossing some lines across that brown stripe. This is going to help it look like a woven basket pattern. Now coming out of my little Easter basket, I'm taking a green nail polish and creating some stripes to look like grass. Now I'm using a dotting tool and some pastel nail polishes to add some Easter eggs to my basket. Now I'm creating the edge to my basket by going in with that first brown polish and creating a row of dots. And to make it pop a little better, I'm going in with that dark brown and outlining the edge. Finally, apply a top coat to all your nails to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. If you want to see more Cute Polish tutorials, you can click on these boxes here and subscribe to Cute Polish by clicking the circle here for a new video every week. You can also subscribe to my personal nail channel by clicking the circle here.